It's like I knew. Oh, cute.
But I'm hearing is we get to go to a wedding. You need a wedding planner. I love planning things.
I'm not gonna have it for here.
Are you sick?
No.
Wonder how many babies that sea monkey has in her.
Did you best? Did you watch?
6 years after he left.
Emily, come here. Emily. Emily, come here. We got a pregnant sea monkey.
I know, I heard. Wow, I bet you're gonna have to horses for a while. They're very excited.
Look up. She has a nice.
Emily, when did they add to you on Christmas Eve?
She, Emily.
He actually had the kids last week.
She has a nice baby bump. See it?
Yeah, I do.
Rachel.
You're gonna have a new daddy.
Rachel.
Well, Luca is David's child, and Anne is mine. She already calls him my father.
Juan's gone, right?
Yeah, Juan's gone.
Rachel.
Oh, is there little tiny babies in there?
Wow.
How's your Christmas?
Oh, gee, I thought you were talking to me. I thought you were talking to me.
Thomas and.
All right, Cammy's gonna put him back in.